Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Fruies. Today we're going to be making some buttermilk biscuits. This is going to go quick, but if you follow what I'm saying along with the prompts on the screen, you'll be fine. So in short, I'm giving you the ingredients, but biscuits are easy in the sense if you don't overwork them, they'll come out fantastic. So you'll kind of see that method being brought to fruition here. We're just kind of mixing in everything minus the last bit of buttermilk, which we're delaying. We're not delaying, we're adding that in at the end and just pulsing very minimally till everything comes together. And then we're, as you see, just putting everything on a dish, making it square, and that's it. There's no folding back and forth. You'll see that on a lot of other recipes. Because we use the food processor here, I don't do that. And again, we don't want to fold any more than we need to. So my big trick, change topics, is just not to make biscuits in a circular form. Someone I saw this years ago on TV, I forget what show, who did it. It works great. There's no waste. And I basically will bake the biscuits probably 20-ish minutes until they come out all brown on the top. Add a little butter, a little salt, and you are good to go. This is like a minute after I just hit the stop button on saying I was going to wait 5 minutes. Oh my God, they're very hot. Oh, so good. These will actually be a little better when they're not like burning my hand because it's so hot. I'm doing a little hot potato action here, but they're they're perfect. Oh my God. Our first bite was okay, second bite. You need to make these.